Hi everyone. We are going to combine all of the ingredients to get the marinara ready. I went ahead and put one together, and some things that I found was that the cheese mixture was a little bit too thick, so I added some water. I blended it up and added some more water to it to make it more of a creamier substance. And it is really hard to put over the breaded eggplant. It kind of just clumps on top. So this is what we're going to try. You can do it however you want to, but I'm going to try it this way and see how it works out. I've got a pan like this, just a square pan. If you are concerned about metals getting into your food or using aluminum, anything like that, then go ahead and use like a glass pan or whatever. It's fine. I'm going to use this pan. What I'm going to do, we're going to try putting the cheese sauce. We're going to try putting the cheese sauce on the very bottom of the pan first. And then we're going to dip our eggplant, kind of wet still, into the breaded mixture, place that on top of the cheese, and then put the marinara sauce over it. We'll see how that works out. Since, like I said, the cheese mix was a little hard to get on there. It was a little clumpy. So let's readjust the camera so you can see what we're doing here. There we are. There you go. Okay. So there you are. There's our mixture. Here's our pan. Okay, I'm going to, clean this off real quick. So we're going to put some of our cheese mix down here on the bottom of our pan and spread it out kind of even. And this is a lot easier to spread out than if you stick it on top of the eggplant. So we'll just see how this tastes and works out. I did another dish. There's quite a bit of ingredients here, so I actually am doing two dishes, 2 pans of this. The first pan I tried it like the instructions showed me to put the breaded eggplant down first and then the cheese mixture over, and it, like I said, clumped up a little bit. So we're going to try both ways, see which way it works out better. Here we go. So now we've got that all down. Okay. So we've got a layer of our cheese mix on the bottom of our pan. We're going to just dip our eggplant into the breaded mixture. Just like this, and it's holding on to the bread mixture pretty good. Stick that back in there on the pan. Cover them. It asks for quite a bit of this breaded mixture. You could probably do half the amount and still have enough, because there's quite a bit here. Okay. Just got a few more to do. Actually, you might have enough of the bread mixture. I thought there was quite a bit there, but we've actually started to get quite a bit here. Okay. For our last little bit here. Okay. The rest of the breading, I'm actually just going to put on top of the garnish it. Okay, so this is what we've got here. We've got our pan, got one layer of the cheese, and then we put the breaded eggplant over that, and then we have our marinara, and I'm just going to put that right over the pan. Okay. out a little bit. Try to make it fall over. Okay, so there we have our breaded eggplant and marinara. Okay, so I will show you what we're going to do in the dehydrator. You want to come right here. I said this is my dehydrator right here. I have all of the shelves removed, so it's going to be open in here. Sorry, it's kind of dirty too. Right here. Okay, so this is our Excalibur dehydrator right here. Now this pan is actually quite heavy, so I'm going to do this. Put that right there. Then I'm going to take one of these trays, one of our trays, set it right in here, about right there. Place our second one in there. There you have it. So we've got those in there. The recipe calls to dehydrate. There we go. Our recipe calls to dehydrate for, I believe it's 14 to 18 hours, anywhere in there. I want to set this to eat for dinner. So what I would probably recommend doing would be to refrigerate it until you're ready to go. Probably about 12 hours would probably be fine to just check and see. But I'm going to set it to 145 for 2 hours, and then I'm going to set it for the remaining 16 hours on 105. I'm going to actually refrigerate these. I'll be up until 12 tonight, so at 12 o'clock I'm going to put them in, and that way they should be close to being done around 4 or 5 o'clock for dinner. So that's how I'm going to do it. If you have any questions, then just post a comment and I'll try to get back to you. But that's it. That's our breaded eggplant with marinara sauce.